Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like a day in my life, follow me around vlog situation. I always really enjoy watching these videos from other people, so I figured I would film one for you guys. I don't really know what today is going to bring or what I'm going to get up to. I really don't have any plans other than like later tonight, so we'll see where the day takes us. I'm sitting down at my makeup table to get ready, so let's do that first. I'm actually working with L'Oreal on today's video to talk to you guys about their new Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation, which is really awesome because I purchased this when it first came out a couple months ago and started using it. So when they approached me to do this video, I was like, heck yes, love this foundation. You guys rock. Let's do it. I love the Pro Glow foundation. I'm sure you guys know that one as well. And it's really good if you want something super, super dewy, but if you want something a little less dewy, but still super natural, then this is definitely the one for you. It's sweat proof, waterproof, transfer proof, and it is supposed to last 24 hours as it says in the name. And they have 30 shades available, which is really awesome. And of course it's drugstore. And it has a pump, which is great. So I'm gonna use the shade 450 today. I have a couple other shades. If I'm not tan, like if my body's not tan, then I use 420. It's a little more cool tone, but yeah, that's the foundation we're using today, which I'm really excited about. I'm a real beauty person because I even cleaned my brushes yesterday, so I'm very excited that I get to use a clean brush to apply this foundation. So like I said, it has a pump, which is great. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it to my face. I do like using a beauty sponge as well. I don't know, I kind of just rotate between a brush and a sponge, honestly, depending on what's clean in my vanity area, but yeah, I do prefer a brush as of recently. I find it just spreads the product better. The coverage on this foundation is medium to full, and it's definitely buildable. I really like it because the full part covers all the acne that I have going on currently because of hormonal breakouts, but it doesn't completely hide all of my like freckles and everything, which I always like to poke through just a little bit, especially going into the spring and summer. Here's what one layer of the foundation looks like. I really love how the word fresh is involved because that is how my skin feels. I have like a really nice natural glow, but it's not too much, and it still like is super comfortable on my skin because it's pretty thin. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I only try and powder a little bit, but of course I have to do concealer first. So I'm gonna do the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, more than concealer. And this has a really large doe foot applicator, which is awesome. I love concealers that have this. I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, just like a little bit of highlight. For the concealer, I'm using shade 355 Vanilla, and it's a really nice formula. Again, it's super similar to the foundation in the fact that it is still like natural and glowy looking, but it covers those dark circles, so that's great. Now I'm just taking a little bit of powder and setting my T-zone and my under eyes. I don't really like to set my full face anymore just because I want to keep that natural glow that I have going on, but since it is a little bit warmer today, I definitely want to make sure I set it so it stays all day. For my brows, I just went in with a tinted brow gel to fluff them up, and then I'm going to set them with the Brow Stylist Boost and Set from L'Oreal as well. Look at the cute little wand on this. It's so cute. Really helps to like lift the brows. I like it. And this is just a clear brow gel. To speed things along, I'm gonna go ahead and move on and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I'm gonna do mascara and lips. Not to like toot my own horn or anything, but my eyeliner turned out perfect today, and it's definitely because I didn't try and do it on camera and film it. So moving on to lashes, I'm gonna curl them with my good old lash curler and then apply some Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. This is hands down my favorite drugstore mascara. It is so good, and it comes in waterproof if you guys are into that and want a waterproof mascara for the summer. I just truly love this mascara so much. It makes your lashes so fluffy and spread out. Ugh, love it. Okay, moving on to lips. I'm gonna quickly apply a little bit of lip liner. And I'm gonna finish off the lips with the Rouge lip color from L'Oreal. This is in the shade I Create. I love the formula of these. Let me apply and then talk. What I was saying about these is I love the formula of these so much because they are so thin and comfortable on the lips, but it does feel like you're applying a liquid lip, but without the dryness. I also really love the applicator on these because the doe foot is so pointy. You can get in really precise around your lips. It smells really good, and this shade in particular, I really, really like, and I feel like it goes really well with the rest of the vibe we're going with today. So that is ow, the completed makeup for today. I love the way it turned out. Normally when I film like makeup videos, I don't always love the way my makeup turns out, and it always ends up... Yes, Noodle? Tell me about it. What I was saying is sometimes when I do film makeup videos, I feel a lot of pressure and the makeup doesn't always turn out the way I want it to, but in this case, it turned out really great. I'm obsessed with this look, and I will have a link down below for the foundation and the other L'Oreal products I used today, and we'll see how it wears throughout the day. I will be doing little check-ins and everything, but I love it. 10 out of 10. We're having a good day so far because of this. Here's a quick little outfit of the day for you guys. I just threw on this outfit for now. Probably won't wear it out later, but I have this cute little skirt on. I've really been into skirts lately because I find them super comfortable and flattering. So wearing a skirt, plain white t-shirt, and then I have some jewelry on. I have my custom Mick necklace, which is so cute. I freaking love it. I wear it pretty much every single day. And then you guys know I've really been into the barrette trends. I love having my hair off my face, so this is really convenient. So love these pearl ones, and then I just have like my gold cuff on and some other jewelry, but that's pretty much it for my midday outfit. Like I said, I'll probably change later, but for right now, that's the look. Now that I'm fully ready for the day, I'm gonna go ahead and do some work emails, plan out some videos, and just kind of get some stuff done, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. So I just went to pick up a package, but the post office was closed, and then when I went to go pull out my vlog camera to vlog myself at Starbucks, I didn't have my memory card, so I'm like really good at this. And anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys, I got an iced vanilla latte, half sweet with sugar-free vanilla. It's delightful, and I think right now that I'm home and back with you guys, I'm gonna knock out my to-do list before Cody and I go for dinner. I have like a little bit of cleaning to do, a little bit of work, and we're just gonna get it done. So let's do that. It's so busy. So here's my first check-in. I apologize if it's loud, but my foundation is lasting really well, and I've told Cody about this foundation, and so I want to get his opinion on what my face looks like right now.
It looks great.
It's so helpful.
It seems like maybe like on the matte side.
Okay, so it's still matte. That's good. Wow.
It's matte.
So I don't look shiny in a bad way?
In certain spots.
Where I want it.
Spots.
In the good spots. Okay, cool. Thank you. I wanted to come on here and do a final checkup with you guys before Cody and I head out for the evening. We're going for drinks for a friend's birthday, and I'm not going to bring my camera, but my foundation looks bomb. I haven't touched it up at all. I haven't powdered or anything, and it looks really good. The only thing I have touched up is my lip, But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will maybe do a final checkup when we get home, but you know, no promises. You never really know how a night's gonna go. But if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to see more vlog style videos like this from me in the future, let me know in a comment down below. Cody, come show your outfit. So we're going to play music bingo, and we're supposed to be, or we're encouraged to dress like old folks, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I found these like glasses that are just like fake glasses, and we're both wearing blazers. I don't know. It's a fun theme. We're gonna go have some fun. Links for all the L'Oreal products I used in today's video, again, will be listed and linked down below, so you guys can go check them out. Okay, we're gonna go play bingo now.
You say so?
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Maybe see you later, but if not, see you next time.